Alright guys, this is part 2 of this rain. We're gonna have to run out here in this rain in a second. Okay, we're gonna run out here in this rain. I unlocked the car. Did you unlock the car?
Oh Lord, it's raining again.
Yeah, it's raining.
Oh.
We're gonna, did you unlock the car?
I'll go and unlock the car.
Stay put, stay put, stay put. Oh no. We have to run in 3, 2, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Ah. Hey! Oh my god, it's really raining. Hey! Oh my god. Okay guys, so this is part 3 of raining. It's literally raining like crazy right now. Look at all this. It's literally a lot of rain. And my camera's getting wet. I don't know what to say out here. Okay guys, so this is the update. It's literally raining. Bruh, I can't. I have to wait. I'm gonna run in 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Flip. Oh no. Hey. Oh my god. Hey. Oh my gosh. This is literally. This is raining. Oh my god. So much. It's raining really, really hard. And if you guys don't believe me, I'm gonna show in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, raining. I don't know what to do. It's literally raining again. Don't know what to do in this rain. Okay, that's gonna be